So we're going to start our ginger today. Hope you're joining the Ginger Grow Along 2024. Uh, First thing to do is after you obtain your, either you buy root ginger that's specifically made and grown for growing ginger, or you buy organic ginger from the grocery store, which is what I've done. But the one thing you want to do before you plant it is just check it out. Make sure there's no dead pieces on it. Make sure that everything looks reasonably healthy. So when you inspect and you find parts that are not, you just need to cut them off. Now the deal is when we do that, we need to wait and see. Actually, we don't need to wait and see. We need to wait until it scabs over a little bit, so that when we plant it, we are not inviting disease into the open cuts. So we're going to let those. No, that's going to be fine. So we're going to let those dry over. That looks kind of bad. Yeah, that can be cut off.
Maybe here.
Yeah. And then you'll find some that they just grow more at a right angle, and you do want to get it all under the surface. So you're just going to cut pieces like that apart, and then they will be able to be fit into your container. And the ones that need to dry, we're just going to place on a small, like, cookie sheet and leave them out for a couple of days, and then add them in to the ginger. So I'm just going to leave those on a counter. We're going to plant the ginger that has passed our specs, and we're going to put those just on one side of this tray. And we will cover these with more potting soil. You want to make sure you're using potting soil and not starting mix, because these are going to be in here for some time. I have even at times given these guys a little fertilizer of a diluted fish emulsion just to keep them with a little nutrition and the ability to grow. So that is kind of step one of getting your ginger in. It's that easy. This will take longer than you would ever think for it to start coming up. So right when you're about ready to throw it out, it will start putting up some green shoots and give you evidence that it is actually growing. It makes a real network of roots underneath that I think take it quite some time. So are you ready to start growing your own ginger? If you are, please go out and get that organic ginger right away and get this going. If you post anything on Instagram or YouTube, please use the hashtag GrowGingerWithMe2024 so we can all keep up with what you're doing. Now, I have done a few videos on ginger in the past, so I've started a playlist. I will link that in an iCard above and in the description below. So let's all have a great ginger year. So thank you so much for watching. I look forward to see how we're all going to do. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. This is Audrey from Real Food Comes Dirty. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.